Yeah, Dorothy, certainly a very busy day for people. You could see that traffic is flowing out here right now, but at points we have seen cars stopped or slow going. We have seen power lines down and tree removal in place. Now people are preparing for what could be a very busy round two.
In the far northern suburbs, Mundelein firefighters pulled two people from this car at Midland and Cortland just before 1, trapped in a drainage culvert and under a pedestrian overpass by the floodwaters. The waters swirling fast around the car and reaching over the license plate. Neither person was hospitalized, but one firefighter would be as a precautionary move. As they lifted the car from the culvert, you could see water draining from the front wheel wells. The race to restore power and clear trees started just as soon as the storms had rolled out this afternoon. In Arlington Heights, you could see ComEd power crews high overhead in cherry pickers. On the ground, massive branches lay, reaching the entire width of the street. In Bridgeview, the rain flooded streets so badly, some were still filled hours later.
No, do not try it. Do not try to go down that block because better just turn around and find another spot.
On this street, Southfield Drive off Harlem, the water was so high it looked like a retention pond until you could take a look at the fire hydrant poking out from the surface in the middle of all of the pooling runoff. Still, we found some drivers attempting to make it across.
We were trying to go to McDonald's, but it was really like cars were on the side of the road and they're waiting for AAA because they try to go down the road and you cannot get through.
But one driver's detour is another neighbor's attraction. We found some kids happily wading into the waters.
We were supposed to go swimming this morning, but then there was a thunderstorm and then we couldn't go swimming. And so, I don't know, we were just bored.
Because you guys Those residents we talked to on the flooded street, they tell us that doesn't happen there very often. They can only think of one other time it's happened, and they are hoping that now they're not looking at another. Reporting live tonight, Sarah Maki, CBS News, Chicago.